It's early in the morning and I know you can't tell from my voice, but today's a really exciting day for me. We're taking the truck down to Innovative Auto Works here in Wexford, and we're gonna have them install my 2 1/4 ReadyLift spacer leveling kit that I picked up from Stage 3 Motorsports. I believe all told this was $159. While the truck is there, we're also going to have them tint the front windows 35%. I believe to match OEM it would be 20%, but that's too dark for around here. The cops will give you a lot of problems. So we're going to go with 35% there. And then when we bring the truck back, we're going to install new wheels and tires. While we're driving to Innovative Auto Works, I thought that I would just take a second to explain why I went with a leveling kit instead of a lift kit. You see, my ultimate goal is to put a 4 or 6 inch lift kit on it, but I want to do it right. I want it to be a really nice and comfortable ride. But for now, I do not like the stance that these vehicles come with from the factory. That rake drives me nuts. I feel like if you just level out the front end of the vehicle, it has a much more aggressive road presence. Plus putting some bigger tires never hurts anything, except for your gas mileage, I guess. So for now, we're gonna stick some bigger tires on it, put a 2 1/4 leveling kit on it to bring the nose up and get rid of that front diffuser, the chin. And like that, the workday is over, so let's go pick up the truck.
Thank you for visiting Bakery Square.
Just picked the truck up from Innovative Auto Works, and you can pretty much already tell that there's a difference. It just feels a little bit higher. So let's hope that the rain here stops so I can go home and put the wheels on it. We're back home. The stock 18-inch wheels and tires, they definitely look too small now. So we got the front done. Now the only thing we need to do is take off this air dam in the front here. Ryan's helping me out. How's it coming? All right, bud, keep going. All the wheels and tires are on. Now it's time to take it for a shakedown. Actually, before we do the shakedown, we need to do some measurements. Let's get that out of the way so I can drive this thing. Pretty good. No trimming required. I'm soaking wet, but I just want to show you real quick what the clearance looks like at full lock. We'll go to the other side, see what that looks like. Looking at the rear clearance, pretty good. No trimming required. All right, so I'm closing out the video in the rain. Today, we removed the front air dam from the truck. We put on the 35-inch first generation special edition Raptor wheels, and we got the front windows tinted at 35%. Hope you like it. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you next time.